WD MyBook, trusted and loved high-capacity desktop hard drive, compact outside, powerful inside. Store massive amounts of photos, videos, music and documents with MyBook desktop storage. It's have lots of facility. You can complete backup, password protection, WD reliability. Watch the power of MyBook come to life. Easy to use. MyBook desktop hard drive is ready to use out of the box, so you can start transferring files, saving your memories and backup right away. It comes with all the software you need to help protect your data. MyBook desktop computer hard drives built in 256-bit AES hardware encryption with password protection helps keeps your contact private and safe. Just active password protection and set your own personalized password using our downloadable software. Millions of people around the world trust their data to MyBook desktop storage, designed to meet WD demanding requirements for durability, shock tolerance, and long-term reliability. We back up the trusted MyBook desktop hard drive with 3 years limited warranty. So you can buy right now. We live hectic lives and generate tons of digital content. MyBook desktop storage confidently back up the files that make you digital life. Thank you watching our videos. If you have any inquiry, comment below. WD MyBook storage. It's compact outside and powerful inside. It's have massive capacity, up to 18 TB capacity. Includes software for device management and backup with password protection. Thank you.